Hello students, welcome to my channel Science English No Problem. My name is Tesh Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, today's video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to motivate and support me so as to bring you far more useful and far more important videos in future as well. So, my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So, my dear students, as you know very well that we have started a series of MCQs. So, the chapter which we have taken is matter around us pure, and today's video is going to be the fourth and the last video of this chapter. So, please watch the video till end. The first question which we have taken is a mixture of uh, milk and groundnut oil can be separated by, first option is sublimation, B is evaporation, C is separating funnel, and D is filtration. So my dear students, here the correct option is C. So mixture of milk and groundnut oil can be separated using a separating funnel, because milk and groundnut are immiscible liquids. Immiscible means that they do not actually mix up together. So when they are mixed, so they form different layers actually. So we can separate milk and groundnut using separating funnel. Question number 2. Which of the following mixture cannot be separated by using water as solvent? First option is copper sulfate and sand. B is sand and potash alum. C is sand and sulfur. D is sugar and sand. My dear students, here the correct option is C, because sulfur is not actually soluble in water. So we can't actually separate sand and sulfur using water as solvent. Whereas actually copper sulfate, potash alum, sugar, so they are soluble in water. So they can be separated actually using, their mixture can be separated using water as solvent. Question number 3. Dyes present in fountain pen ink can be separated by the technique of, first option is fractional distillation, B is infrared photography, C is crystallization, and D is chromatography. So my dear students, always remember that dyes present in fountain pen ink can be separated using chromatography. Now chromatography works on the principle that different materials have different solubilities in same solvent. So by using chromatography we can separate dyes present in fountain pen ink. My dear students, our next question is question number 4. Pure copper sulfate can be obtained from an impure sample by the process of, first option is evaporation, B is fractional distillation, C is centrifugation, and D is crystallization. So my dear students, here the correct option is D, that is crystallization. So my dear students, always remember that crystallization is used to actually obtain pure chemical, pure substance from its impure sample. So please remember this. Question number 5. The material which is added to water during purification process at water works so as to disinfect it is, first option is potassium permanganate, B is betadine, C is chlorine, and D is potash alum. So my dear students, always remember that at water works we use chlorine to disinfect the water. So C is the correct option, because chlorine is actually disinfectant also. Question number 6. The technique used to separate particles of solid suspended in a liquid quickly is called, first option is decantation, B is centrifugation, C is sedimentation, and D is filtration. So my dear students, always remember that if we want to actually separate suspended particles in a liquid then quickly, then we will use centrifugation. So B is the correct option. Dear students, our next question is question number 7. Naphthalene can be separated from sand. First option is by sublimation, B is by distillation, C is by crystallization, and D is by using water as solvent. So my dear students, here the correct option is by sublimation. So my dear students, always remember that naphthalene sublimate, whereas sand does not sublimate. Sublimate means that when we heat naphthalene, it does not melt, but it directly changes into vapors. So that is the meaning of sublimation. So my dear students, always remember that sand does not sublimate, whereas naphthalene sublimates. Question number 8. Which of the following cannot be separated from air by the process of fractional distillation? First option is oxygen, B is argon, C is hydrogen, and D is nitrogen. So my dear students, obviously answer is C, that is hydrogen, because hydrogen is not present in air. Oxygen, argon, nitrogen, all these gases are present in air. Question number 9, last question but not the least. One of the following doesn't undergo sublimation. This one is, first option is camphor, B is dry ice, C is silica, and D is iodine. So my dear students, always remember that camphor, dry ice, and iodine, these sublimate, whereas silica doesn't sublimate. So C is the correct option. So my dear students, this is all for today. So I hope that the questions which we have discussed in this video, you understood them all very well. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. Good luck.